everyone, Chef Marisa Canzaro here. Today we're going to be making Zuppa di Pollo, which is chicken soup. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients. I need water, chicken, potato, carrot, onion, leek, orzo pasta, garlic, basil and parsley, tomato paste, celery, thyme, oregano, Tabasco, black pepper, salt, Worcestershire sauce, and olive oil. I'm going to place this chicken in a pan and then add the water and then the salt. I'm going to bring it over to the stove. I have the burner on high flame. I have oil, onions and garlic. I'm going to let it saute and then I'll add the rest of the vegetables. Tabasco and the thyme and the oregano. The chicken is very well done and now I'm going to put the vegetables into the pot. I'm putting in the shredded chicken. You can add some noodle to this if you like. Here's our final product, chicken soup. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe and bon appetit.